Yeah, tomorrow's Panchami, Bihar Panchami. That's the appearance date of Radhakunja Vihari. And the big festivities here in Vrindavan. Everything will go all the way to Banka Bihari. And such a clear night. Really amazing. Really amazing night. It was north winds today, so that made a difference. Cleared out the whole sky. The Banka Bihari temple actually is built by Badapur Raj, but he built two temples, one next to each other in Keshigat. The Keshigat was before two identical temples. I even went inside and measured all the rooms and everything. But one of the temples was taken and placed for Banka Bihari. Exact measurements made in the exact same way. The Banka Bihari temple was actually a Badapur temple that they transferred over there. Badapur temple, I mentioned that because that's where Prabhupada stayed when he first got here. The Badapur king allowed him to stay there, and it was near Julan Yatra, so the king sent a silver Julan there. And now, this is where it may have also happened that Prabhupada understood that he wanted a Krishna Balaram temple. Later on, probably after Prabhupada had left, the Balaram was removed from the altar and put someplace else. I went into that temple and I investigated and I asked them, what has happened to Balaram? And they said, well, it wasn't proper for worshiping Radha and Krishna and Balaram, so we took it and put him in a different room. And you can't go in now, it's a private place, but I just hope that they placed him on the altar again. So that gives you a good feeling why Prabhupada, here he is in Badapur, here he is in... But you know, this also happened in Malaysia. One rich man asked Prabhupada to come over to Malaysia to install his Radha Krishna deities, but he didn't tell him that he also had a Balaram. So when Prabhupada went in and saw the deities before the installation, he says, actually these are going to be Jagannath, Balaram, and Subhadra. So I was saying, where has Prabhupada got such an idea? Well, go to Vrindavan Das Thakur's temple and you'll see that there are three, Radha, Krishna, and Balaram, but they're identified as Jagannath, Balaram, and Subhadra. I was just so happy to see that. So Prabhupada, knowing all these things that we never become aware of, that he actually installed the deities, even thinking of Vrindavan Das Thakur, who's Vyasadeva himself. Now, no one in that temple, and I've gone so many times, is able to tell me exactly who installed those deities. So I'm just going along with what they say, that it was Vrindavan Das Thakur. So, okay. Jai. Bihar Panchami ki jai. Tomorrow.